Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're going to be putting on LED lights on the fog light covers. So this is the driver's side fog light cover that hasn't been touched, and this is the passenger side fog light cover. What you're going to need to do is take off your whole under shield, the plastic one that clips on. Now the next step, there should be clips that are holding the lower fender, the fender liner in to the lower engine area. So what you can do is actually push this back. You don't have to actually take it off all the way. And then if you get up in here, you can see that light that's coming through is actually the fog light bezel that's shining the light through. And then these wires right here is the LED lights that I've already put in. These are where the wires are coming from, so it's very easy to get to. So I've made one of the holes already and marked the second hole, and I'm also going to be using a variable bit or a step bit in this case, and we're going to be going up to 13/32, which is a perfectly sized hole for these lights to fit. Now it may be different on what kind of lights that you're using. So here's how the lights look themselves. It's just a regular positive and a negative terminal, and then it has this nut on the stud with the light. I ended up tapping into the fog light. Hey guys, so I should mention that if you are tapping into the fog lights, the hot wire on the driver's side fog light is the blue wire, the ground is black and white, and on the passenger side the hot wire is the white wire and the ground is the black and white.
Звучит Фринкс.